welcome all of you. So today we are going to do the same topic, that is shares and dividend of 10th class. So this will be the second part of that chapter, and we will do one or two examples. The first is the statement of first example. It is given that divide rupees 35,400 in two parts, such that if one part is invested at 9% rupees 100 shares at 4% discount and other at 12% rupees 50 shares at 8% premium, the annual incomes are equal. Now what it is here, that we have to divide this amount in two parts, and that two parts we have to find. So firstly, let first part, that first part is equal to x and second part is equal to second part. Now one part we have supposed what x. The second part, what it will be left behind. फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने एक्सपोज कर लिया, इसी का मतलब इसको दो हिस्सों में हमने we have to divide this in two parts. तो first is x, तो second what it is left behind, that will be the second part. So that is 35,400 minus x. Clear? So second part will be 35,400 minus x. Now these two amounts are invested in two different firms. Clear? The first part, this is invested in a firm where dividend is 9%, rupees 100 share at 4% discount, means that firm is paying 9% dividend, where nominal value of each share is rupees 100 and that are at 4% discount, means market value is 4% less than this nominal value. So market value will be 100 minus 4% of 100. So it will be 100 minus 4 upon 100 multiplied by 100. So that is rupees 96. Clear? Now second part. The second part is invested in the firm where 12% rupees 50 shares are at 8% premium. Means the dividend percent here it is 12%, nominal value is rupees 50 at 8% premium, means market value is 8% more than the nominal value. So it will be 50 plus more than means 50 रुपए से ज्यादा है. कितनी ज्यादा है? इसी का 8% of 50. It will be 50 plus 8 upon 100 multiplied by 50. So cutting 52 is 100, 2 4s are, and it will be rupees 50 plus 4, that is rupees 54. Clear? Now what we have given, that the annual income from these two parts are equal, means annual incomes from both the firms are equal. So what is the formula I told you for the annual income? That was number of shares multiplied by dividend percent of the nominal value. Now it means firstly we have to find the number of shares. The number of shares from here, let it be n. What is number of shares? Investment upon market value. Now investment upon market value of each share. Now investment is x and market value is 96. Clear? सिंपल, उसने x रुपीज इन्वेस्ट किए और हर एक शेयर 96 रुपीज का मिल रहा है. इट मीन्स उसे कितने शेयर्स मिलेंगे? x upon 96. एंड हेयर नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स फ्रॉम द सेकंड फर्म, इट इज अगेन इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट हेयर इज 35,400 minus x upon number of shares, market value, it is rupees 54. Now income from both the firms. The formula for income, that is what? Number of shares, the number of shares from the first firm. This side I will write the formula, number of shares into dividend percent of nominal value. So this is the formula for the income. Now number of shares from the first firm, x upon 96 multiplied by dividend percent. Here it is 9%. 9% means over 100 multiplied by nominal value is again 100. So here 100 will be cancelled. 3 3s are 3 32s are. Now this is the income from the first firm and it is equal to the income from the second firm. The second firm, again number of shares are 35,400 minus x upon 54 multiplied by, this all are the number of shares, multiplied by dividend percent, it is 12%. 12 upon 100 multiplied by nominal value, it is 50. Again here we will cutting 2 6 and 6 9s. So let's simplify it. It is 3x upon 32, it is equal to 35,400 minus x upon 9. So here we have got an equation in x, linear equation in x, and we will solve it and find the value of x. So for solving, you know, we have to firstly cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, it is 9 will be multiplied by 3x, so it means 27x. It is equal to 32 will be multiplied by this whole, so 32 multiplied by 35,400 minus 32 multiplied by x. Now don't waste your time in multiplying this, because after that it will be simplified, cutting hogi. So अब 32x will be plus this side, 32x plus 27x, it will be 59x. So it is equal to 32 multiplied by 35,400. Now 59 will be divided. X is equal to 32 multiplied by 35,400 upon 59. It will be cancelled out. 59 6 the 354. Clear? So x is equal to what we have got, x 32 multiplied by 600. It means it will be 19,200. This is the value of the x, and we have to find the two parts. The two parts, first part was what, x. The first part is we have supposed as x, so x is what, 90. It means first part is 19,200, and second part that is 35,400 minus x. 35,400 minus this 19,200, we will get it what, 35 minus 19, 16,200. So these are the two parts. Clear? So let us do one more example. Now other example, which is the better investment? हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है, हमने अपना पैसा जो इन्वेस्ट करना है. There are two firms, we are having two options to invest our money. In first firm we are getting 10% dividend, where nominal value is ₹100, shares at ₹120. Means इसका मतलब क्या है, 10% डिविडेंड है, 100 रुपए वाले शेयर्स हमें 120 में मिल रहे हैं. इट मीन्स nominal value is ₹120 and market value is nominal value 100 and market value is ₹120. And in the other 8% ₹100 shares at ₹72. Means here dividend percent is 8%, nominal value ₹100, and what is the market value of each share, that is ₹72. Now which is better, किधर invest करेंगे, in which firm we will invest our money? तो first of all देखो, ऐसे पता नहीं लगेगा, because here dividend is 10% and here it is 8%. It means first firm में अगर डिविडेंड ही देखें तो फर्स्ट फर्म में हमें इनकम ज्यादा होगी, बिकॉज डिविडेंड इज मोर देन इन द सेकंड फर्म. क्लियर? बिकॉज यू नो दैट इनकम डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिविडेंड परसेंट. नाउ बट द मार्केट वैल्यू इज मोर देन द मार्केट वैल्यू इन फर्स्ट फर्म इज मोर देन दैट इन द सेकंड फर्म. यहाँ पे इनकम ज्यादा हो रही है बट शेयर्स जो महंगे मिल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे इनकम कम हो रही है 8% बट शेयर्स सस्ते हैं, तो किधर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे? क्लियर? तो इसके लिए वी हैव टू फाइंड द रिटर्न परसेंट ऑफ द बोथ द फ्रॉम बोथ द फर्म्स, कि दोनों फर्म्स में हमें रिटर्न क्या मिलेगा। क्लियर? तो रिटर्न परसेंट जा तो एक तो वही तरीका है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द इनकम number of shares, then apply the formula for the return percent, that is income upon investment into 100। एक और फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, वो क्या है? that is the some shortcut method to find the return। it is what? return percent of market value, it is equal to dividend percent of नॉमिनल वैल्यू। ये फॉर्मूला है। पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू हाउ फ्रॉम वेयर दिस फॉर्मूला केम। ये बना कैसे फॉर्मूला? तो इसके लिए क्या है, इनकम का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है हमारे? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर इनकम? नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डिविडेंड परसेंट ऑफ नॉमिनल वैल्यू। दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द इनकम। And what is the formula for the return percent? Income upon investment multiplied by 100। तो it means यहां से इनकम क्या आ जाएगी? रिटर्न परसेंट 100 डिवाइड हो गया मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इन्वेस्टमेंट। क्लियर? ये जो इनकम आई क्रॉस मल्टी रिटर्न परसेंट ओवर 100 इंटू इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये यहां पे प्लेस करो। क्लियर? तो क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? इनकम की जगह पे वी विल राइट व्हाट? रिटर्न परसेंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट। व्हाट इज द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन? नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डिविडेंड परसेंट ऑफ नॉमिनल वैल्यू। नाउ ये एन इधर जाके डिवाइड, इट मींस रिटर्न परसेंट multiplied by investment upon number of shares, it is equal to dividend percent of upon 100 into nominal value। now what is income upon investment upon number of shares? it is what? market value। तो it means यहाँ से हमारा फॉर्मूला तैयार हो गया। we have got a formula, direct formula to find the return percent। what it is? return percent upon 100 multiplied by market value, it is equal to dividend percent upon 100 into nominal value। clear? तो we will apply this formula to find the return percent from the both the firms। तो first of all in first firm right here, first firm, what is return percent of the, that we have to find? return percent upon 100 multiplied, what is the market value from first firm? 120, it is equal to dividend percent is 10% upon 100 multiplied by nominal value is rupees 100। 100 is cancelled with 100, 0 with 0, it means return percent it is equal to 10 multiplied by 10 upon 12। so 5 here it is 6, 3 again 5, so return percent is 25 upon 3। now return percent from first firm we are getting 8 whole 1 by 3%। this is the return percent we are getting from the first firm। so similarly we will find the return percent from the second firm। now same formula, return percent upon 100 multiplied by market value from second firm, that is 72, it is equal to dividend percent it is 8 upon 100 multiplied by nominal value again 100, again cancel 100 with 100। now return percent it is equal to 8 multiplied by 100 upon 72, 8 9s are, so return percent 100 upon 9, 100 upon 9 means 11 whole 1 by 9%। now which return percent is more? that is 11 whole 1 upon 9%। it means if we will invest our money in the second firm, then we will get the better return than investing in the first firm. So it means the second one. He has here asked which is better investment. It means investment in the second firm it is better than investment in the first firm. तो ये हमारा टॉपिक है. तो इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है तो उसका लिंक आई विल गिव दैट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. सो थैंक यू सो मच.